Hi guys, this is Karen. Welcome to another video. Welcome to another war video. I have stick bronzers, the war of the stick bronzers. I'm going to have one stick bronzer on this side and another one on this side. If you already saw the picture, you know which is going to be on which cheek. And the products I'm using are Rare Beauty bronzing stick in Happy Soul versus Sephora collection. This is the relatively new Care Make It Bronze in 02. Just wanna have sun. So these are going to be side by side because I think they are very similar to one another. So let's see if I'm correct with my assumptions. Okay, this side's going to be Rare Beauty, this one side's going to be Sephora. I'm going to start with Rare Beauty. This is how it looks like. Mine is a bit used, and this is the shade Happy Soul. Great color, and I love using it. It's so creamy and buttery and so easy to work with. And I think I applied too much here. Again, that's something that I usually do, apply too much to my forehead. We'll go over with the sponge, but this is very beautiful, as you can see. Let's go over with the sponge just on my forehead to take off the excess. What do we think? Gorgeous. I do want a tiny bit more here. Give me more Rare Beauty bronzer stick. I think this is one of their best products. If I'm wrong and you think I'm wrong, then you can write it down in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Other side, Sephora collection. Let's clean my fingers so it will be a fair game. We don't want to cheat. So other finger, other side. This is the Sephora collection wand. The shades are not the same. This is the Sephora, this is the Rare Beauty. Different shades, but I'm not comparing shades, I'm comparing texture and easiness to use. And in that way, oh god, look what happened. In that way, they're similar. Both of them look a bit mushy. And this one is slightly bigger than this one, but if you look at consistency and easy to use, they are the same. Both of them are melting as soon as they touch your face, and they're melting also in the packaging itself. Different shades. This one is definitely bolder and darker than the Rare Beauty Happy Soul, but that's okay. We have a sponge and we're not afraid to use it. I'm not afraid of using my sponge. I applied too much. That's, you know, we can see that, right? We applied too much, and I'm taking my sponge and sponging it away. The sponge absorbs the excess product, as I'm sure you already know. Okay, I can't use that one on this side. That would be cheating. As you can see, not the same shade. This one looks a bit weird. I applied it a bit too low, too close to my eye. So let's just take what's left of the foundation and just fix that. And this side is, well, this shade is definitely more my color than this one, but you can see I made it work by shearing it. Also, do apply a smaller amount That way you will not need to sheer it with the sponge. Just apply smaller amount of bronzer. But the whole purpose of the video is to show you that you can spend less and achieve the same as the Rare Beauty. Same results. Again, shade is not the same, but the consistency is the same. They're both buttery and very easy to spread and to blend, and this is what I love about them. I like both. I'm not regretting buying the Rare Beauty because I love it. I love using it. I use it a lot of the times I'm using my Rare Beauty, but recently I've been grabbing this one over the Rare Beauty. Again, apply less product than I did, but overall, do I have a clear winner? Well, if I'm completely honest with myself, I like this one more. After shearing it up, look at that. This is much more beautiful. I don't know. It's spread. The spread, I mean. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Maybe I should use the sponge on this side, but I have... Yeah, we have a clear place here. So let's try that to give them an even chance. Definitely. We have a clear winner. And it's not a win. I did not think that this is going to be the outcome of this video. I was sure that this one will be the winner. You know what? Let's add a tiny bit more. Just because I feel like we didn't give him, you know, a fair chance. I take in the clean side of the sponge and tapping it. Still. Okay. First of all, I think I gave the Rare Beauty a fair chance to beat the Sephora. But I love the Sephora more. First of all, it's more glowy. I did not apply highlighter whatsoever. More glowy, it's spread easily. I love it more than the Rare Beauty. I really did not believe that this will be the outcome of this video, but it is. I love this one more. This one is a bit patchy. Can you see it's a bit patchy? And I applied the same, both of them the same method with my finger and then with the sponge. So we can't blame the technique I used. We're not blaming anyone. I love the Rare Beauty. I will not replace it. But if we are in a war and there has to be a winner, this is definitely the winner. So Sephora collection wins by a long shot. I really love this side better than this side. Okay, this is it. It's short video just to compare two of my favorite bronzer sticks. And now we know which one I like the best. Okay. Oh, this is so weird. This lipstick here, the black lipstick here at the top of my head. Can you see that? It's distracting me. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Rare Beauty Sephora collection. You can see the Sephora collection is more glowing than the Rare Beauty. Rare Beauty is more matte than the Sephora collection by far. Okay, like this video if you enjoyed it. Write something in the comment section down below. Let me know what you thought about these two products. Do you have them? Do you have other cream bronzers stick that I can try and battle with the Rare Beauty? Do let me know and write it down in the comment section down below. To conclude, clear winner by Sephora collection. Okay. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe before you leave, join my family here on YouTube, and if you do subscribe, then please click on the notification bell. That way you will know whenever I'm uploading a new video. I love it. Look at the glow. This is just gorgeous. Okay. That's it. I can't let go, right? Yeah, okay. So like this video and subscribe, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.